Conclusion na po tayo ng milk experiment. So for this experiment, tatlong milk po yung pinag-compare po natin. No? We have the almond milk. Kirkland po yung brand neto, and this was bought from SNR. Tapos we have the pure milk, Cowhead po yung brand. And then we have the powdered milk, Birch Tree po yung brand neto. This was requested by one of our followers. So nag-start po yung experiment natin with the almond milk. So yung blood sugar ko po rito started at 115. On the first hour, bumaba po siya ng 103. So on the second hour, 104 po yung final reading po niya. So obviously wala po siyang blood sugar spike. Second on the experiment would be yung pure milk. So 104 po yung start ng blood sugar ko po dito. And then on the first hour, nag-spike po ng konti, umakyat ng 117. And the second hour, 103 po yung blood sugar reading. Last on the list would be yung powdered milk. 125 po yung start ng blood sugar, umakyat ng 172, and then finally 92 po yung ibinaba ng blood sugar. So most likely mabilis pong nasunog yung carbs and sugar ni Birch Tree after 2 hours. So pag pinlat po natin yan, no, yung blood sugar spikes po niya on the second hour. Si almond milk, minus 11. Si pure milk, minus 1 or negative 1. Tapos si powdered po, minus 33. Yung almond milk, okay po siyang i-recommend eh. Wala pong problema doon kasi obviously wala po talagang spike sa blood sugar. Yung pure milk, pwede rin po 104 to 117 and eventually bumaba pa nga po ng 1 unit yan on the second hour. Si powdered milk, kinakabahan po ako dun sa first hour po niya na blood spike which is 172. Reason being is that hindi lang naman po ito yung iinumin natin eh. Definitely may kakainin pa po tayong iba. So pag kay almond milk, kumain po kayo ng iba, I'm pretty sure hindi po madadagdagan yung blood sugar spike. Pure milk, pwede po madagdagan yung blood sugar spike pero minimal. Si powdered milk, pwede pong tumaas ng gusto dahil po dun sa first hour na blood spike po niya. So yun po, magre-review po tayo ng iba pa pong food items and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.